Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 best news app for Android and iOS. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Google News. So right now I'm using a Android smartphone. So if you're using an iOS smartphone, then you can go to the App Store, and if you're using an Android smartphone, then you need to go to the Play Store. So open the Play Store. So in the Play Store, you search for application name as Google News. Here you can see on the top list, as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. And after that, just click on Open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So you can see here all the minimalistic design news application, that is Google News, and even on the top you can see the weather report also of your respective locations. So you can see below there are some options like For You, headlines, following, newsstand. So you can add it to the favorite also if you like any news. Say if you like some news, say I will just try to open this page, and you can see a bookmark like, so you can see a bookmark like button in the below. So you can click on the bookmark and it will be added to your favorite list. So it's a very minimalistic design, and this is one of my favorite news applications that I commonly use in my Android as well as iOS devices. So definitely you should check it out. So on the second list we have the Microsoft News. So once again open the Play Store. So in the Play Store just search for the application name as Microsoft News. So once again you can see on the top list the Microsoft News. Like before, I have already downloaded and installed it. So you firstly download and install it, then after that just click on Open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see this kinds of user interference, and in the above you can see some search, or you can search any URLs also, and even you can see some icons just below the search bar like weather, image, videos, news, wallpapers, and just below you can scroll and check out all the top news headlines, and even you can see some icons below here like some options that you can add shortcut icons for your needs. And even you can see your newsstand here if you directly want to check the news, and there is a account also. If you have a Microsoft account, then you can directly log into your respective account and sync it throughout different devices. So definitely it's also a very good news application that definitely we should check it out. So on the third list we have the Flipboard. So once again open the Play Store. In the Play Store just search the application name as Flipboard. As you can see on the first list, again just tap on it. Like before, I have already downloaded and installed it. So you firstly download and install it, then after that just tap on Open. On opening the applications you can see tons of news. So why it's named as Flipboard? So when you just slide up, you can see like a flipping animations, right? So it's being named as a Flipboard. So there is a board, as you can see the screen is like a board, and just when you sweep one by one it will show the different news, that is the news headlines or the top news headlines. And below you can see some icons that's like you can follow or select the different news sections like technology, productivity, science, celebrities, or different options depending upon what you like to check out in your news application. And in the below you can see a search also. You can search different news editorials and news topics depending upon news. And after the search bar you can see a Flipboard TV also, that is new channels or any broadcastings that are available will be shown here. And the last on the bottom corner is the account. If you have a Flipboard account, then you can directly sign up or sign in and log into your different devices. So definitely this is also a very good news application that you should check it out. So on the fourth list we have the Opera News. So once again, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, just search for the application name as Opera News. Now you can see, just click on it. As like before, I have already downloaded and installed it, so you firstly download and install it. So after that, just tap on Open. So on opening the application for the first time, you can see this kind of user interface. So it's very minimalistic designs. On the top level you can see some options like the headlines, videos, now to, entertainment, cricket, politics, technology, sports. So if you like a technology, you can directly click on the technology sections and you can just read all the technology related news here. And if you like to read about sports, just tap on the sports section. It will show only the sports news to you. So in the below you can see here some options like videos. If you click on the videos, it will show the related news videos or the different clips and regarding about your account. So it is also a very useful news application that definitely you should check it out, and it's from the official Opera teams that you can try it out. So on the fifth list we have the InShorts. So once again, open the Play Store. So in the Play Store, just search for the application name as InShorts. As you can see on the top list, just click on it. Like before, I have already downloaded and installed it, so you firstly download and install it. Then after that, just click on Open. So you can see its user interface. It's very minimalistic designs, and it will just show you one by one top headlines. So just you can scroll from bottom to up, or you can just swipe from left to right. You can do from left to right also if you want to go through the news, or if you just want to scroll the top headlines and want to check just the headlines, then you can just swipe from bottom to top. And if you want to go through the details regarding the news, then you can just swipe from left to right and you can read details about the news. You can read about the full details of the news applications. So this is also a very good news applications that you can check it out. So this all are the top best news app for your Android and iOS devices that you should definitely check it out. And if you know any news applications that I miss out which are totally best as far as your experience, then you can leave that news applications names in the comments below. I will try to review it in future. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.